Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Fatur. I will presenting about the summary of corporate finance lesson. First, financial management is an optimal orchestration of internal and external financial resource towards significant and sustainable value creation. Goal of financial management: first, basic objective. There are profit maximization, wealth maximization. Next, operational objective. Timely availability of requisite finance, most effective utilization of finance, safety of investment, growth of the enterprise. Next, social objective. There are timely payment of interest, payment of reasonable dividend, timely payment of wages, fair settlement with suppliers, timely payment of taxes, maintaining relation with financiers. And then, research objective. Researching into new and better source of finance. Next, what to manage? First, capital structure, working capital management, asset structure, revenue management, cost management, cash flow management, growth management, and risk management. And then for good corporate governance principle, tarif, transparency, accountability, responsibility, independency, and fairness. And then four cornerstones of corporate finance. First, core of value principle. Value is driven by returns on capital and growth. Conservation of value principle. You can create value by rearranging claims on cash flow. Base owner principle, a business value depends upon its owner capabilities. And expectations treadmill principle, the more investors expect of your share price, the better you must perform to keep up. Next, for 5 business essential from Professor Ramcharan. He is an economic professor, not an Bollywood actor. First, cash. Next, profit margin, velocity, growth, and customer focus. Next, for important finance concept, there are return trade-off, time value of money, cash is king, incremental cash flow, curse of competitive market, efficient capital market, agency problem, taxes bias business decision, all risk is not equal, and ethical behavior. Next, for financial analysis, capital budgeting, there are payback period, profitability index, internal rate of return, and then net present value. For fundamental analysis, there are intrinsic value versus market price. For intrinsic value calculated by investor, basically it is discount future CF. For market price, consensus value by market price participant. For the decision, if IV more than or greater than MP, so buy. But if IV lower than MP, sell or short sell. If IV equal MP, just hold, fairly priced. And then for financial statement analysis, healthy or not healthy. First, natural level. Next, for quality of number, historical trend, industry benchmark, and then decomposition. And then, in addition to learning the material, the class also learned investment simulation by looking at the real market in the real time, looking for the best strategy for a positive return, then discuss tips and tricks as well as the causes of ups and downs in stock prices. There are also lessons and discussions taken from the book and reviewing the book. The most interesting thing in the corporate finance class is the assignment of watching films related to financial crimes in the form of stocks. There is a lot of knowledge that can be obtained and applied in everyday life in making decision to buy shares. Actually, there are a lot of details that can be spelled out because of the duration, but the knowledge gained from Prof. Roy Sambel in corporate finance is very useful for decision in companies or individually by looking at market trends. Oke, last quote from me. Makan sambal pakai oncom. Cakep. Iya, Prof. Roy Sambel emang ya cakep. Oke, see you guys. Bye-bye. Dadah.